Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am getting ready to go celebrate my mom's birthday, and we're gonna get some Ethiopian food and have some Taiwanese shaved ice and hang out. So I'm really excited, and I decided to go with this green and purple eyeshadow look. My mother-in-law made me this really pretty kimono cover cardigan thing. It's really lightweight and pretty, so that kind of inspired the color choice because I knew I wanted an accent color that was similar to this, and I thought, oh, green would look really pretty with it. So that was my thought process behind this eye look, and I used the Adept Cosmetics shadows again because I just love these. I love these, and I used the satin shadows I have, which is this guy here and this guy here, and I also used this really pretty sheer color, and I created this gradient. I wanted it to look like one shadow across my lid that has a little bit of dimension and shiftiness to it. So we did some sheer washes, and we have a little bit of an accent purple along the top here. I know the lighting is a little bit off balance, so this side you might not see it as much, but over here, because of the shadow, you can see it on the top there. But yeah, it's a little bit of a balance between bold and subtlety and subtle changes, and it's just very much a fun and quick look to create. I also, on the complexion and lips, continued using my beautiful Salt New York cream products that I just posted a video about. If you're interested to see more information on these gorgeous cream complexion products, then go ahead and check that video out. But I did use that for blush, bronzer, highlight, and even my lips. If you'd like to see how I created this look, and if you'd like to get ready with me, then pull out your makeup and do some makeup with me, and let's get started. I just primed my eyes using the Viseart eyeshadow base, and am jumping right into my Adept palette, starting with the Esam W21 flat brush. I'm going to go into the green. I'm going to use this as a base all across the lid. Bringing it into the inner corners as well. And I'm going to bring it underneath the lower lash line too. Diamond 9 color, which is sheer with a golden green shimmer. Let me put this in the inner third, just lightly overlapping the color, so it looks like just one color swept across the lid with some dimension. A little bit in the inner corner. It's like highlighting. I actually want to take the Rebel Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow quad and take a bit of this pop color. I'm going to tap this onto the lid, the center part. Satin 19. I mean, I always say satin. I think it's shimmer. Shimmer 19 from Adept. I bring that onto the lower lash line and the outer third. The Matte 29 Adept shadow, lightly with the G27. Going softly blend this into that top edge, concentrating the shadow on the outer half of the top edge. Okay, so for complexion, I'm taking the Becca First Light Priming Filter with my Smashbox foundation. To blend in my foundation, I'm using the Surratt foundation brush. Oh, this brush is so prickly. I should probably declutter this one. I really don't like it. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna use my Hourglass Creme Vanish Concealer with my Sephora Pro 57. I'm gonna bring this up close to the eyes, clean up all the way around. I'm gonna use a swiping motion first to get a light layer on. And then should I need more coverage in certain areas, I can go back and pat the concealer on right where I need it. The concealer is a little light for me right now, but we're gonna be bronzing up using the Salt New York creams. So I'm not too concerned. A little concerned about covering some of that darkness though. I want my little Charlotte Tilbury color corrector. For this darkness right there. Much better. Okay, so to finish up the eyes, I'm gonna first set all the way around the eyes using my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder and the Esam W35. By setting around, I'm just smoothing those edges, mattifying, creating a longer wear for my concealer by overlapping those shadows, those eyeshadows a little bit. I'm really taking the edge off. I think this is especially important when you do an all shimmer eye like this, just so that you have a nice contrast between the skin surrounding and the shimmer, and it makes the shimmer look all that more shimmery and intentional. I'm taking the eye pencil from Esam that is aubergine and putting that into the inner rim all the way around the eye. Okay, I threw on my mascara and my Ardell Magnetic Accent Lashes, and I also quickly filled in my brows using an eyebrow pencil from Sephora Collection. And now I'm going to put some blush on. I think I'm going to use my new Salt New York blushes. This one is raspberry color. And I'll use my Shakuda 3D foundation brush. Okay, and bronzing is still in the works, so this is the light bronzer from Salt, New York. I do have a video on these beautiful creams if you're interested. I just posted it. I love these cream bronzers. Okay, the question is, do I want to contour? And I think I do. So there is a contour shade, so I'm just going to take a little bit under the cheeks. I for sure want some highlighter. Beige and the pearl are a really great combination. Using the Shakuda 821 brush, I'm first going into beige, which is the deeper of the two colors. And then with the pearl, I'm just going to put a little bit right in the center. For an extra pop. Okay, finally for lips, I really enjoyed how well the cream product from Salt, New York wore on my lips. So I'm going to do it again with the Blackberry with my eSIM lip brush, the W19. I'm going to blot that down. Okay, so this is the final look. My hair is still drying. It'll take forever. I did blow dry it a little bit, but it takes many hours to dry. Yeah, I'm all ready and excited to see my family, so I will catch you in my next one. Bye, friends.